About to start building this LTZ 400 top end with this Cylinder Works complete kit. It was just the easiest way to go because the piston, cylinder, everything was just junked on that orange Z400 we have, and this was a pretty simple fix, around $400. Got everything included. Got your top end gaskets. Comes with a Vertex piston, which is a well-made piston. This is what's stock in pretty much every European bike. Super well-made, forged piston. And then you've got a cylinder, and in all the experience I've had with Cylinder Works over the years, their cylinders are really good, made to spec. Never had one warped, never had one uneven. They look from the outside, they look exactly like an OEM cylinder. They put all their information right here. So, yep, hopefully later today we're going to start putting all this stuff together on the LTZ. So, should be a fun adventure.